What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's John again. And you're wondering why I'm looking so gorgeous right now. Because I just did my first ever makeup tutorial. Yes! If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching this video. So here we go. Hello guys! Welcome back! And yeah, namiss ko kayong lahat since my last video. It's been a while. So today, since it's my birth month, I will be doing a series of makeup tutorial on my own. Ayan, nasabi ko sa last video ko na I don't know how to put makeup on my face. And right now, to try natin gawin. As you can see, my brows are done. I think they are the most trickiest thing, no? Pagdating sa makeup. Kasi ang hirap nila gawin. Ang hirap nila gawin, in fairness. Ito nga, ginawa ko siya for 2 hours. Like, for them to be perfect, like that. So, let's start. I think the most important thing when you do makeup first is to moisturize your skin. I will be using the Myra facial moisturizer. Ayan. You need to moisturize them para at least aray ko, ang sakit. Para ma-protect yung skin. Ayan, so I'm done with the eyes. So what I'm gonna do next is just to do that to create the wing thingy. It's very important for you to have this makeup remover with you. Ayan. So as you can see, meron na siyang wing. At yun na yung nag-serve as your guide para dun sa check eye. Ayan. It's very important for you to have this, guys. Makeup remover. So isa pa to. Isa pa to sa pinaka mahirap gawin. I don't know. So there you go. I'm done with the wings. So right now, I'm gonna do the foundation. But first thing first, I'm using this color correcting liquid from NYX. This is to correct the gray area from the mustache, here sa beard, and then sa black gray area ng ating eyes. Ayan. So makita nyo mamaya pag nag-foundation tayo, mo-correct nga yung part na yan. Okay, it's either you use a beauty blender or a brush, it's up to you. Just tap, and there you go. Let's go to the foundation. I'm gonna use the gold collagen foundation from the Face Shop. Ayan. So, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. Ayan, let's So this is the I'm about to finish look. There you go. So thank you to Elise for this human hair false eyelashes that I'm using right now. So there. For the illuminator, I'm gonna use the NYX illuminator. Did it blend, bitch? Did it blend? Ooh. So this is my final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, guys, please click the like button and the subscribe button. You are here on YouTube, so might as well please click the subscribe button. And thank you so much, guys, for staying with me until the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you want me to do another makeup tutorial, please do comment below. So stay tuned on my next video. Thank you guys. I love you so much.